So here's what I think about Upwork's new fees. If you haven't heard, Upwork is lowering their fees from 20% to 10%, but that is only half of the story. While freelancers have been complaining for what feels like forever for Upwork's fees being too high at 20%, that isn't always the case. Yes, you started with 20% fees on any contract, but once you reached the $500 mark, the fees would drop to 10%. And to be honest, if you're charging a fair rate, you should be able to hit those $500 with no problem. Now, you might be thinking, if they're starting at 10% now, that's good, right? Well, yes and no. See, there's this additional layer to Upwork's fees where when you reached $10,000 on a contract, those fees would drop from 10% all the way down to 5%. So those freelancers that do long-term and high-value contracts on Upwork will see their fees double after the grace period Upwork is giving to current contracts. So yeah, for those freelancers, it'll be a pain, I'll be honest. But if you want to know my opinion as someone who's been on Upwork for 10 years, God, I'm old, is that for the most part, this is actually a good thing. See, Upwork lately has been pushing a lot of the project catalog and the consultations feature. You can learn more about that one in a video in the cards. But these, for the most part, will fall under the $500 mark or slightly above it. And for those, your fees will either stay the same, for example, for my social media strategy packages that are $1,200, or they will be cut in half, like the example of my consultations. It'll also be better for freelancers that are just starting now at maybe some lower rates to get experience, which I'm guessing is probably most of you guys. So in sum, yes, it will kind of suck for those long-term contracts, but overall, I think it has more pros than cons. But let me know your opinion down in the comments. And if you're in fact just starting out on Upwork, check out this video right here to see the first step you need to take in order to find success on the platform. I'll see you there.